Hey cruisers, here's a hack for you on your next cruise. On the Norwegian Bliss, only 2 clothes hooks are provided, so we added more of our own. The magnet clip on regular bag clips are really weak, and the name badge magnets we use are much stronger. I'll leave a link in the description below. Point the clips down and hang clothes from the top, or clip up lighter items from the bottom. A single clip can hold most things, and 2 will hold heavy items like this rain jacket. The clip is great to hold bulletins or just use a magnet for sheets of paper. We'll convert this wooden clothespin to a magnet clip. Using super glue gel, apply a line of glue. Carefully place the name badge magnet. Hold for several seconds. Clip or clamp in place and let dry overnight. The name badge magnet is strong, but if it detaches from the clip, it can be removed with your fingers. There are much stronger magnets like this one, but I do not recommend them because they will be very difficult to remove if detached from the clip. Check out NCL's embark and disembark processes out of Seattle in this video.